Chant data handling. Very nice. So let's begin with the demo. Let's see whose topic matches with the mentor's demo topic. So I want all of you to open your chat box wherein I have pasted few chat links. First link is of syllabus link. You can check your syllabus on this particular link. Payment can be made by clicking on this particular link. In case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can complete your payment process and join the batch. You are always welcome to take up the feedback. You can fill up this feedback form and we'll get. Of course, you have right to know in detail about your particular batch. So you need to click on this all batch detail link. In case you have any further queries, you can email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Right? Let's invite your mentor at the platform. Are you excited? Hey, Anushka Agarwal, please turn on your camera. I guess the child name is now Anushka, if I'm not wrong. Earlier it was some other name. Okay, so her name is Miss Gunjan. She is into teaching profession since so long. If any of you have taken classes from her, so I'm sure you must be aware of it that she is a dedicated tutor. Her classes are very engaging and of course she is strict too, which I love the most in her. So over to you, Gunjan ma'am.
Hello everyone, how are you? Are you able to see me? Hello. So I got to know that you people are from different areas. So what is the time at your place? Is it that you are talking from night or daytime? Have you completed your sleep? Yes, write it in the chat. Alve, what is the time by your side? Yes, Mihan, Anve, for Anusha, right now it's 9:30 p.m. Okay, Anve. In Oman it is 3:39 p.m. That means we're talking about afternoon. Good. Okay. So have you taken yes, Anusha? Have you taken your sleep, afternoon sleep? 5:09 p.m. That is correct. Okay, Ronak, what about you? What is the time? At which from which place you are talking about? Ronak, can you listen to me? Am I audible, Ronak? Because I'm not getting any response, that's why I'm asking. Okay, Anve. What happened, Ronak? Okay. If I am audible, then I am asking that what is the time at your place, because I am getting different students which are talking from different areas. Some are from Australia, some is from Oman, and two of them are from India. So basically, just want to know that you have taken your sleep, you are quite awake, and you can fully concentrate on them. Okay. So my name is Gunjan Jain, and I'll be your mentor for the class 4 classes. Okay. What we are going to do, we have to start with your Olympiad. Now, can you tell me what do you understand by these Olympiads? Have you taken these Olympiad classes before, or the first time you are taking? Have you given any Olympiad test? Write the name of the test that you have given. Anusha, first means this time, first time you are giving this Olympiad. Okay. Unware Maplan. Okay, Maplan is any that is in your school is having. I have went for English. Okay, you have taken for English exam NSTSE UIM. Very good, Ronald. That's great. And Amoha 3. Amoha 3 means 3 exams you have given. UIEO. That is also for English, I think, Ronald. Okay. See, that's good that you people have given some Olympiad, you have some idea. And those who are not having, just I need to tell you what is in the Olympiad. Olympiad exams are your multiple choice questions test paper. Okay, that means in which they will not, you don't have to write answer step by step. You have to take out the answer and options. Take the correct option. Four options they will give you. In here, we are mostly deal with your major important Olympiad is your IMO, NSTSC, that is correct. NTSC are also there. ION is also there. That are based on your, and your CREST Olympiads are there. So you have to think about what is the basic concept to solve that question. Not only the basic things, that means what is the topic, you have to solve it in the fast manner. That means how you will take out the answers in the fast manner. Your computation should be fast, and how to eliminate the options. We will learn how to eliminate the options. If four options are there, then you have to think that what cannot be the correct answer. This way you will approach to the correct path. This will Olympiad questions not only increase your timings, time management, but also improves your critical thinking ability. Okay, so we will work on that. That how you will solve the question. You have to basically answer that what needs to take out from the question, and what is the correct approach in solving it. Okay, are you getting? That is nothing tough in that. Only basic concept should be clear. Okay, and then you have to understand that what the question is asking from you. Okay, and in these classes you will learn how to do that. Okay, and, right now you are on mute, but in the classes you will be on unmute. Whenever you are having any doubt, at the same time you can ask me any question. Okay, clear? Okay, yes, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So kids, be ready, fasten your seatbelt because we will be going to have a presentation on the screen now.
Okay, so be attentive, kids. Then I'm going to ask you questions from this informative PPT. All right. Okay. So I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind yearly program that includes courses that matter. We are having 8 courses, School Plus program, mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths, and coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes from grade 2 to grade 12, and one-on-one preparation classes from various Olympiads. You can meet our rank holders. These are kids like you only. You just need extras 2 hours. You just need to spare 2 hours extra from a regular curriculum, because Olympiad examination is quite little tougher than the regular curriculum. So we are having the live session, group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant teaching experience. 3 sessions per week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday from 5 p.m. till 6:15 p.m. IST with 5 minutes of break. This session includes mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, and previous year papers. And student will also get a reading material and practice question, which will be available on the platform of Olympiad Success. Student will give a free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice the topic-wise mock test. So syllabus is available on this particular link, and the fee of this course is rupees 8,925. It is a 40 session course, and payment can be made by using this link. This fees includes online class, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year paper, and access to Olympiad Success platform. What else you required? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed, laptop or desktop with camera, and headphones for the better audio clarity. So live classes will be starting from 15th of April 2025. In 2020-24, Olympiad Success had students from more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about informative PPT. I hope I'm clear. Show me thumbs up if I'm clear. Okay, we'll see. All right, over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So let's have a dashboard tour now. And be ready for Megha ma'am's question, okay? She brings up very difficult questions. All right, so what you have to do is you have to log in with the URL of olympiadsuccess.com, wherein you're going to enter your user detail with which you will register with us. Make sure that you enter your correct details, otherwise you will not be able to log. Signing in. Yes, here you'll get your profile details. Check it in case you find any error, you can rectify it. Okay, update it. Click on live classes in which you'll get your entire material. Select your subject and of course topic. Here you can see the schedule, which will give you the clarity in which session you'll be going to go which particular topic, right? So you can see the test discussion days. So it means after completion of every chapter, there'll be a test discussion day for you. Before that, you'll get a mock test paper from your mentor in the class, along with in a WhatsApp group wherein you need to complete the test paper at home, and in coming class, you will be going to discuss it with the mentor along with your doubts, right? So after this, you can see some super classes, which will be very fruitful for you because in this, you'll be going to cover previous year papers, right? So at last, there'll be super classes for you. So you can see every topic is bifurcated into subtopics in different sessions that you should get a clarity of each and every topic in depth, because you know Olympiads are little different from regular studies and you should have a particular complete knowledge of each and every topic. There is a holiday calendar that you should not miss any other session because already we have festival holidays. Here is a reading material for you. Right? So you can prepare yourself from these topics along with the question answers. There is the question paper. So there are so many sets, as you can see. I've opened just one set for your reference, right? So here's a question paper. I want to download it because you can see there's icon. Click here to download it, solve it, and then check your answer keys. Okay. Here are the answer keys also. Be little loyal, because if you will be loyal, then only you'll be going to score well and you will become a rank holder. Click on worksheet. So in worksheet, you'll get more practice material, right? So over here, you need to select your subject once again. And here you'll get your worksheet. So I'll show you how you can attempt it. Click on take exam. Read instructions carefully. Select this tick box and start worksheet. So once you have started the worksheet, you can see the timer is on over here for you, right? Timer has started. See the number of questions, solve the answer. So I want all of you to think and reply the answer in the chat box. Hurry up. So the question is Ron pays rupees 2,000 per month for his dance classes, rupees 750 for 15 days for his maths classes, and rupees 400 for 10 days for yoga classes. How much money does he pay for his maths classes in 4 months? Rupees 8,000, rupees 3,000, rupees 5,000, rupees 6,000. Hurry up quickly. The first answer in the chat box will get a chance to fill over here. Let me see. Who is smart? Hurry up, hurry up. No helps. Solve it on your own. You can take help in reading from elders. Timer is running. Keep that also in your mind. That is why Olympiad classes are here for you, okay? Because you need to fasten your speed. You should be very quick while solving a question. Oh, lucky one. We got our first answer. So the Anvay has given answer of 8,000, 6,000. We got different answer, but I promise that I'll fill my first answer. So let me fill it and let's see whether it is correct or not, okay? Moving on next. And this is how you have to solve all your questions. Once you are done, you need to click on finish button. Okay, yes, I've reviewed all the questions. So the best part of our platform is the moment you are done, you can check your performance parallelly. For that, you need to click on performance button, select your subject, of course, and here you can check your date. I have attempted this just now on 8th, right? So I'll be going to click on view button, check your performance. The answer was wrong. So let's see what was the correct answer. So the correct answer was D. Who has given the second answer? That child was correct, 6,000. Let's see. Amoha Ahana's answer was correct. Okay, Anve. All right, so this is how you have to use your platform, students. So now, before moving ahead, log out And let me stop sharing my screen. If anybody is having any doubt, needed a clarity, feel free to ask your questions. We'll be happy to answer your each and every query. Any doubt? No? Shall we begin? Yes, Anusha has a doubt. Yes, Anusha? Type your doubt in the chat box. From others, Megha ma'am can ask the question.
Okay. And so write it in a chat box. What will be the class timing and class days?
Okay, meanwhile, you all think the answer and I'll answer Anusha's question. What if we miss a class? So in that case, Anusha, you can prepare yourself from the recording. Yes, recordings will be available. Okay, so the day one of your session, you will be going to get a playlist. Okay, and from there you can prepare yourself.
Hurry up,
Everybody,
kids. Yes.
yeah, answer
I-
of the question.
I believe you all were attentive, but I want answers.
That's called a position check, whether you are attentive or not, or sitting with the mind closed in front of the cameras. I think that's the best check for you because that's how you can attempt your demo also daily.
Yes. Class days and class timing. Amoha, what will the timing? Class days is perfectly fine. What about others? Anusha, Smehan, Ronav, Ahana, Tashi, Amoha.
What are the class days and class timings, Anusha? Oh, Amoha, no, that's not correct. Is it correct, Megha?
No, ma'am.
All right, so ma'am, just paste once again. What are the class days and timings for their reference?
Sure. Anusha and Amoha. Yes, Anusha.
Okay, any other doubt? Or shall we begin with the demo? Shall we begin? Show me thumbs up on the screen then. All right, good to go. Over to you, Gunjan ma'am.
Exactly. So, yes, your class timing will be from 5 to 6:15. So those who have forgot, please remember and do not miss any class, okay? Whatever the time that is equal in your place, just match with it, okay? So what should we take as a demo chapter? Okay, what do you think? What should we take? Yes, write it in the chat. What do you think? What should be taken? In which topic you find difficult? Tell me about that. Which topic is tough for you? Ahana, turn on your camera. Tashi. Fractions are tough, Ronak. Okay. Yes, Amoha, what about you? Tashi, which topic you find difficult? Okay, everyone is saying fractions are tough. Okay. What about calendars? Okay, percentage, divisions. Okay, what about calendars? How you feel these chapters are calendars? Time, okay, time and calendars. I'm talking about time and calendars. How you find that topic? Is it easy or tough? Hmm? Write in the chat. Okay, Ronak, calendar is super easy. Very good. Very nice. Okay, what is a calendar? Can you tell me what is there in calendar? What you learn in that? Only time, not calendar. Okay. Okay, we are going to take that time and calendar only, and we will see that how you are comfortable in that. If you know those things, then it is good. Otherwise, if it is new for you or it is tough for you, then also it is very good that you are able to understand something. Okay. Now tell me, what is your time? What do you understand by the time? Why you use it? Yes, tell me. What do you understand by that? Write it in the chat. Okay, Pujana. Okay, Ronak is saying that to know what moment it is or time. Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay, we will start with that. Okay, are you able to see that calendar? Okay. Now, in calendar, what happens? Okay. Now, you must have heard these words. The words are like time, seconds, minutes, hour, day. What are these? What are these words? What are these words? What you use? What you use by these words? Yes. Ahana, Olympiad Silver Zone Maths. Yes, Ahana, we are going to cover all type of Olympiads. That means you will be able to solve those questions, whatever comes in your Olympiads. Okay, you can think about that. You can. That means you can fill those. No problem in that. To know what happens and when. Yes, time is time, or we can say seconds, minutes, hour, day. These are all units of measuring time. Okay. For example, is if I say that temperature of my body is 98.4, right? So that is your unit. Unit can be unit. If I talk about temperature, then it is about Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Kelvin. But when I talk about the time, then the units are seconds, minutes, hour, day, year, millennium, like that. That means what is the total duration of any event, right? What is the total duration? For example, if I say this activity required 2 seconds only. So 2 seconds is the duration. That means when your start time and what is your ending time. The difference between these two will tell you the duration. The duration can be in seconds, it can be in minutes, it can be in hours, days, years, millennium, decade, like that. Okay. Have you heard? And what is a calendar? Calendar is a system or a tool used to mark passage of time. That means if I say that last year it happens, so what is this? What is this last year? Last year means in the calendar, what is the time in which you can notify anything? This thing happened at that time. So for that, we require any tool. Tool is your calendar. Okay. Ahana, Tashi. Okay. Anber, any doubt? Okay. Now, what is a day? How you get that? What is the total hours in a day? Can you tell me? How many total hours are there? Yes, Nehan, Anber, write it in the chat. How many total hours are there? Yes, correct. Correct, everyone. 24. 24 hours are there. Can you tell me how we get that one day? How it happens? In a science, how you got that one day? Why we are saying that it is 24 hours? What is a one day? What it happens? Write it in the chat and give your answer to me only, not to everyone. In your chat, there is an option in which you can select my name. You have set it to everyone. Give your answer to me only. And where sunrise and sunset? Only sunrise and sunset? What happened? When it happened, sunrise and sunset? Can you tell me? Yes, Anusha, you are on the correct path. Rotation. Rotation of what? What rotation is going? How we get that one day? Please tell me how we get that one day. AM and PM, rotation of time, no. Morning, afternoon, evening, night, okay. Anusha, yes, Earth. Mehan, which time? Okay. See, you know that according to your solar system, what happens? Suppose this is your sun here, okay, and your Earth is revolving around it, right? And Earth is also revolving one rotation, right? Earth is also rotating one rotation. Now, suppose you are at this place, okay, and you can see sun here. Now, since it is rotating, so what happens? When sun is here, so you say sunrise, okay, but when it goes here, then you say it is sunset. So what is a one day? When your earth rotates one complete rotation, takes one rotation, earth takes complete one rotation, then it requires how much time? 24 hours to start from here and then rotating and then again completing and coming back to the same position. Then it is said as 24 hours, or we say it is a one day. In one day, it completes all your sunrise and sunset, afternoon, evening, morning, night. Got it? So that makes your one day. That means how much time Earth required to complete one rotation of itself, not on the axis. Okay, not on the axis. Now, can you tell me how we make that 1 year? How many days are there in 1 year? How many days are there in 1 year? Okay, yes. Ronak correct, Snehan correct, Anbe, Anusha correct. That in a year there are 365 days. Okay, now can you tell me how it makes 1 year? According to the solar system, what happens that we say that it is completed 1 year. Yes, Ronak correct, 366 is leap year. 365, 366 correct. Yes, how we make that it is 1 year already happened. What it happens in the solar system? Yes, Anusha, correct. Yes, Anbe, what happens? Ronald, when 12 months are over, okay. 12 months are over, okay. But what happened in the solar system? What happened? Why we say that it ends 1 year? Yes, students, tell me, we are learning time, calendar, leap year. So we should know that why we are calling it one day, why we are calling it 1 year. Earth rotates around the sun. Snehan, Earth rotates around the sun. Okay, that is called your orbit. Okay, see, we have one sun and all the planets are moving around it. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, like that. Okay, so Earth is also there. So Earth is having one orbit. So this is your Earth. So when it starts from one place and it covers one complete rotation of a sun, that makes 1 year. Okay, that makes 1 year. And total how many days it will take? Can you tell me to complete 1 year? That you are saying that it is sometimes it is 365 and sometimes it is 360. Okay, so in completing one complete rotation of sun, it required 365 days. So can you tell me? Sometimes we are saying 366, sometimes we are saying 365. Why it is so? Just tell me answer. Why it is so that sometimes we say it is 366, sometimes we say it is 360. Why it? Ronak, correct. Leap year is what? 365 or 366? Yes, Neha, correct. Ronak, correct. 366. Yes, you are saying that if we say leap year, then it is 366. So when it takes, does your so does your Earth require 366 days in that? Some years are they taking 366 days, And some years they are taking 365 days. Is it so? Why leap year happened? This is your leap year. Leap year means when it takes 366 days. Is it so? Leap year means leap is 366. 365, 14. Every 4 years has a leap year. Okay, correct. See, students, what happened? What is a leap year? Understand the thing. Leap year is not a year that is having 366. Okay, that means what happened in and your earth require how much time total? It requires 365 days total and plus 6 hours extra to complete one rotation. Clear? One 365 complete days and extra 6 hours to complete one rotation. But we are taking only 365 days as a around time, approximate time to complete 1 year. But if every time we will take only 365 days, then this 6 years, 6 year, every year, this 6 years, we will not get the accurate time. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, total hours. How many hours it will become? Can you type? 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. How many hours are there? If we are taking 4 hours, 4 times 6, 6, 6, 6, then it will be total. It will be 24 hours. It makes 24 hours. 24 hours means how much day? 24 hours means how many days? This is equal to 1 day. That means if you are not taking 6 hours extra, every time you will not take the 6 hours extra, then 4 hours continuously will make 1 day. You will left behind 1 day from your scheduled time. Okay, and 1 day, 1 day, 1 day, so many years that will not your solar calendar and your the calendar that you are making are not matching with. Okay, so what we do, we take 365 days as a normal day, normal years, and we take after every 4 years, we take it as 366 days as a leap year so that our solar system calendar and our calendar match. Okay, otherwise what happen if we are not taking, we will elapse, we will go out of the time and our months and our climate will not match according to the dates. Okay, for example, if we are not coming, maybe in the May we are getting any time that is a cold, right? Every time, every year we are getting May as a summer, right? How? Because we have balanced with the leap year and the normal years. So can you tell me which years are your leap years and which years are your normal years? Yes, this they are saying that in a year you have 12 months. In 12 months, how many weeks are there? 4 or 5. That means 1 week is how many days? 1 week is how many days? May is winter. Anve. Yes, at your place, May is winter. Anve. Okay, at your place, May is your winter, but in India, May is your summer. But every time you get May as a winter only, just because you are matching your leap year with the solar system. Otherwise, next year, after so many years, you will get May as a summer also. Okay. Yes. So winters, is it clear what is a leap year? Why we are taking as 366 and 365? Who is not clear with this? Rona, is it clear why we are taking 365 and why we are taking 366? You can type anyone who is not able to understand that why we are saying it is 365 and why we are saying 366. So which day we extend extra? If we are talking about 366, then which extra day we are adding in the calendar? In the leap year, which is the extra day? Anve, which is the extra day? Yes, correct. 29th February is the extra day we mark in the leap year. Okay. Yes, so we know that 1 week is 7 days, 2 weeks are 14 days. Why 14 days? Because 7 into 2 we are doing, or 7 plus 7. 3 weeks means 7 into 3, 7 into 4, like that. So in a month we get 4 weeks. Okay, in a month we get 4 weeks, 4 or 5 weeks. Sometimes we get 5 weeks also. Okay, these are your months, different months. Now, do you know which month is your 31, which is 28, 29, which is again 31? How you measure that on the knuckles? You know the thing? January, February, you know that? That is very easy. So first month is your January 31st. Next, that is coming down is your 30. If it is February, then it is 28 or 29. Third, fourth, fifth, like that. Okay. Now, this is the leap year that I already told you. Now, I'm going to ask you that how you find that this year will be leap year or not. Tell me. This year will be leap year or not? You have to tell. I'm not. I really don't like to teach from the PPT, and I really want everyone to say. That's why I'm unmuting all of you. Okay. Now, if anyone wants to say something, how you find that any year is a leap year. Suppose I give you any. Yes, okay, Anisha. Yes, tell me that 2001 will be a leap year or not? Can you tell me? Who is gonna say? You can unmute yourself and say. Once. Okay, Anisha, you say. Mute is not opening. Okay, it is on mute. Let me wait. Let me unmute from my side. Okay, maybe in the demo they are not allowed. Okay, yes. So can you write it on the chat how we will check that this year 2001 will be a leap year or not? 2001 will be a leap year or not? Yes, how we will check it? It is not a leap year. So how we check that? Divide this number by 4. If it is completely divisible, then it is a leap year. Otherwise, it is not a leap year if it is giving any remainder. Okay. So if we divide 1001 with 4, so 5 4s are 20. Take the 0 and then 1 again. And what will be the remainder? What will be the question here? What question will be there? 0 you have taken, it is not correct. Yes, not a leap year, that is correct. But what will be the question here? Can you tell me what will be the question here when you divide? Hmm? 0 is not divisible, so we will mark 0. Then 1, we will put this 1. 1 is also not there. Then 50 into 4. It will make only 200, so you have to add 0 also. Because 4 into 500 will give you 2000. So 2000 plus 1 will make you 2001. So this question is 500, but you have to check what is the remainder. If there is a remainder, then that means it is not a leap year. Correct? Okay. So can you check once again? 2024 is a leap year or not? 2024 is a leap year or not? Okay, Rona. Amoha correct. Anusha correct. Very good. Yes, Anusha good. Yes, everyone write your answers. Snehan correct. Yes, correct. Tashi, what is your answer? So divide 2024 by 4. What remainder you are getting? If it is a 0, then it is 2024. So this is a 4. 5 4s are 20. Now 2 is not there, so that means we have to put on 0. Now put this 4. 6 4s are 24. Remainder is 0. Okay, so when remainder is 0, that means 2024 is a leap year. And after every 4 years, we will get a leap year. So if 1 year is 2024 is a leap year, so when your next leap year will come? Can you tell me? Write it in the chat. When will your next leap year will come after 2024? After 20, yes, correct. Tashi, Ronak, correct. After 2024, next leap year will be in 2028. Can you check 1900 is a leap year or not? 1900. 1900, year 1900 is a leap year or not? Yes, Raunak, correct. Kashi is saying yes. See, students, when you have already learned that leap year, you can find out if the number is divisible by 4. But when it is a century year, there is some exception. There is some exception. That means when it is a century year, then you have to check that every time it is not a leap year. Exception is century year. Century year means what? That ends with double zero. Any number, any year, if it is ending with double zero, then you have to check that it should be divisible by 400. So any year that is divisible by 4 or any century year means that is having double zero at the end. Century year is divisible by 400. Is divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. Then it is a leap year. Okay? Leap year. So here, if I am talking about 1900, so this is a century number, century year or not? 1900 is a century year or not? Century year means that ends with double zero. So this is a century year. For century year, you have to check that it is divisible by 400 or not. So is it a leap year or not? Check. 1900 divided by 400. Check that it is divisible by 400 or not. Okay, let's check. So 4 4 the 16. This is 1600. 0 0 300. Now it is not divisible. Okay, so that means it is not a leap year. Correct? Okay, any doubt in this? Now you can do it by yourself. Clear? Okay. So whenever it is asked with this year is a leap year or not, then you have to do it accordingly. Okay. Now 7 days makes 1 week, 1 year makes 365 days. Now can you tell me in 1 year how many weeks are there? In 1 year, how many weeks are there? How many weeks are there? In 1 year, how many weeks are there? 52, 56. 1 year. How many weeks are there? Some are saying 52, some are saying 53. How it happens? Okay, tell me in 1 year how many days are there? How many days are there? How many days? 365. Okay, so 365 days. So we have to find weeks. So by which number we will divide and find how many weeks are there? By which number we will divide so that we will get the weeks. 365 days means how many weeks? 365 means in 1 week there are 7 days. So in 360 or you can say in 7 days we have 1 week. 7 days makes 1 week. So 365 days makes how many weeks? What you will do? 1 by 7 into 365. You have to divide by 7. 365 divided by 7. 365 divided by 7. Okay. So divided what you will get? 7 5 are 35. 1 left over. Then 5. 5 2s are 7 to the 14, 1 remainder. So that means it is how much? It is 52 weeks and 1 is still remaining. What does that mean? In 365 days, total how many weeks are there? 52 weeks plus 1 day extra. Okay? 52 weeks and 1 day extra because we are having 1 remainder here. It is not completely divisible. So 365 days means in a year we will have total 52 weeks and 1 day extra will be there. Clear? Now, my question is, if it is a leap year, that means it is having 366 days. So how many total weeks and extra days will be there? Write it in the chat. How many total weeks and how many extra days will be there in leap year? In a leap year, how many weeks and how many extra days will be there? Amoha, correct? Amoha, correct? Next, yes, please find. In a leap year, how many total weeks are there and how many extra days will be there? Anvay, correct? Ronak, correct? Snehan, correct? Yes. So here it will be in place of 365, it will be 366, and we will write here 6, and the remainder will be, so this will be 52 weeks and 52 weeks and 2 extra days. Okay, that's how we get in a day, in a year, how many total weeks will be there and how many days will be there. Now, can you tell me how many months are there in 1 year? How many months are there in a 1 year? Amuha, correct? Snehan, correct? Anusha, Anvay, Ronak, correct? 12 months are there, correct? Now, tell me what is 10? What is 1 decade? What is 1 decade? Decade. Yes, 10 years makes 1. 1 decade means 10 years. Now, what is a century? 1 century means how many years? 1 century means how many years? Ronak, correct? Anvay, correct? 1 century, not century year, I am talking about 1 century complete. How many years? 100. Total 100 years makes 1 century. That's why we have some 19th century, 20th century, 21st century like that. Okay? So 1 century is this. Now tell me what is 1 millennium? What is 1 millennium? What is 1 millennium? Anvay, not correct, Ronak, correct. 1 millennium. 1 millennium means 1,000 years. Total 1,000 years makes 1 millennium, 1,000 years. Clear? Now, we are going to do some questions based on this. Now tell me, if 12th April 2007, this date was given to you and this date is Thursday. Okay, now tell me what is the day on 30 April 2007? What is the day? What is the day? If on 12th April 2007, it is Thursday, then 30 April 2007, which day will be there? How to find it? Okay, good. Okay, everyone is saying Monday. Okay, how to find it? How to find it? Okay, if you see the calendar, then yes, it is showing you Thursday and 30th April is your Monday. Okay, how to do it? See what we do. How many total days are there in, from 12th April to 30 April? How we do that? Do it from 12th April to 30 April. How many days are there? Total number of days. Okay, if 12th April is a Thursday, then next Thursday will be on which day? Next Thursday. If 12th April is a Thursday, then next will be what you have to do? Okay, Snehan is saying 19, then 26. Amohan, sorry. So what we do, we add 7 in that. because after every 7 days, the day will be repeated. So 12 plus 7, that means on 19th April, it will be again Thursday. Okay, then after that, again add 7 April, 7 days. So that means 19 plus 7 is 26. So on 26 April, it will be Thursday. Now, if it is Thursday, then 27, 28, 29, and we have to find for 30. So this is your Thursday, this is Friday, this is Saturday, this is Sunday, and this will be Monday. Okay? Or what you can do, you can find how many total days are there from 12 to 30. Can you tell me how many total days are there from 12 to 30? Arey, Anbe, what is happening? You are yawning a lot. Is it boring? Hmm? Okay, some are saying 16, some are saying 18. 18 days. So 30 minus 12, you are saying it is 18. Like that you have done. Now, can you tell me if I say about 1 April to 2 April, then how many days are there? 1 April to 2 April. 1 April to 2 April, how many total days are there? Why it is 1? You will count 1 April also, you will count 2 April also. But if you are doing 2 minus 1, then it is 1. But 1 April and 2 April makes 2 days, right? Why we are getting 1 here? So every time whenever you are doing subtraction, add 1 with it. Okay, so if I am talking about this 30 minus 12, if you are subtracting dates, then add 1 in it. Okay, every time add 1 in it. Otherwise, your answer will get wrong. So 19 days. In 19 days, what you do? That means 19 divided by 7. What it will give you? What will be the remainder? 5. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, you got it? How to find the number of days between the days? Okay, number of days. Now give me this question. Anushka's grandmother went to USA for a vacation on 4th June 2010. She came back on 26th August 2010. How long was her vacation? Yes. So first you have to take 4th June also. Okay, her vacation starts from 4th June. Okay, Anbe. Okay, we are going to end the demo. Okay, some are saying 22, some are saying 21. Let's see. So in June, how many days are there total? In June, from 4th June, you have to take 4 June, 4 June, 5 June. Then how many days are there in June total? 30 or 31? 30 June. Last is your 30 June. So how many total days are there in June? From 4 June to 30. Just tell me number of days in 4 June. In June only. 26. How? How 26? 4 will also be there. Okay. 27 or see total 30 are there. Subtract 1 June, subtract 2 June, subtract 3 June. Total 30 days are there. You are subtracting 3 days from it. So total number of days will be how many total days will be there? 27. Okay, you have subtracted only 3 days. Okay, from 30 total are 30 days in June. You are subtracting 1 June, 2 June and 3 June. So total 30 minus 3 will give you 27. So 27 days are there in June. Okay, now how many days are there in July? Yes, 31. Correct, 31 days. Now, in August, how many days we will take? In August, it is given 26. She came back. That means we have to take up to 25th August only. Okay, so 1 to 25, that means 25 days we have to take. On 26, she came back. Okay, so total number of days you have to count. That means 27, 31, and 25. 27, 31, and 25. How many total days are there? 27, 31, and 25. Just add. What will be the final answer? 27, 31, and 25. Yes. Oh, just check. Ronak, check your answer again. Yes, Amoha, correct. Add these. No, Anbe. Add 27, 31, and 25. Add 27, 31, and 25. What will be the total addition and number of days? No. Okay. Yes, Anusha correct, Ronak correct. So total is, yes, Neha, 52 days. 52 days. That means some extra months are also there. That yes, that is correct. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 5, 3, 13. That is 83 days total. This makes you 83 days total. Okay. Is it clear? Students, 83 days long. Days in June, 27, including your 4th June. Days in July are 31. Days in August, 25, excluding your 26. So when we add all three, we will get 83 days. Now tell me about this. How many hours are there in a week? How will find it? How many hours are there in a week? 1 week has how many days? 1 day has how many hours? Yes, Ronak, correct. Amoha, correct. Anve, correct. Ronak, you are sending your answers to everyone. Tashi, correct. Tashi, you are also sending your answers to everyone. Everyone can see your answer. Yes, so 1 week means there are 7 days. Huh? And 7 days in 1 day, we have how many hours? In 1 day, we have 24 hours. So that means 7 days has how many total hours? 7 into 24. Now, 7 into 24 will give you 168 hours total. So this is 168 hours complete in 1 week. Okay, 168 hours. Any doubt in this question? Should we proceed to the next question? Say something. I'm not getting your answer. Yes, 22 days to be written in a week. How you will write it in a fraction? 22 days. How many weeks are there? Just divide by 7. What you will get? What option is correct? Mehan? No, Ronak, not correct. Divide by 7. See what is the remainder. Question. Remainder by divisor. Yes, Ronak, not correct. Yes, Anusha, you can. You can take any rough paper. It's not mental maths. You have to divide 22 by 7. Why we are dividing it by 7? Because we are finding about week. Okay, in 1 week there are 7 days. Okay, 1 week there are 7 days. Correct. Divide by 7. See what remainder you are getting. So you have to write it in this way. Quotient. Here it should be remainder upon divisor. Okay. Yes, Anve, correct. So if we divide 7 3s are 21, 1 is your remainder. So this is your remainder, this is your quotient, and this is your divisor, by which number you are dividing. So in place of quotient, we get 3. In place of remainder, we get 1. What is the remainder? 7. So 3, 1 by 7 is your answer. That is option B. Okay. 3, 1 by 7, divide by 7 and see what quotient remainder you will be getting. Any doubt in this question? Snehan, clear? Rana, clear? Okay, next. If the Independence Day in 1994 was on Monday, on which of the following dates will be Sunday? Independence Day. What is the day on Independence Day? What is the date? What is the date on Independence Day? Write it in the chat. Independence Day means what is the date? No, Rana. Not correct. Independence Day means it is which date they are talking about? What is the date? 15th what? 15th of? This is 15th of August. Okay. So they have given you, they have hide the date, they have given Independence Day, that means 15th August 1994 is your Monday. Now, can you tell me what is the next, which day will be Sunday? So can you tell me if this is Monday, then the previous year will also be Sunday? That means 14th August will be Sunday, right? Now, next Sunday will fall on which date? Next Sunday will fall on which day? If you add 7 in it, next Sunday, 14 plus 7 will be 14 plus 7 will be 14 plus 7 because we have to find for Sunday. That's why we are checking. Yes, that is 21st August is your Sunday. Is it in the option? No. So check for the another Sunday plus 7. What will be the next date? That will be 28th. Yes, so 28th August. That is also not given in the option. Now, what will be the next date? Next Sunday. So 29 will be Monday. 30 will be Tuesday. And this is August. So this is 30 or 31? August will be 31 or 30? Yes, 31. So 31 will be Wednesday. Okay. Now, uh, 1st of September will be your 1st of September will be your Thursday. Now next Thursday will be add 7, 8, correct. So 8 September will be Thursday, but we have to check for Sunday. So 9, so this will be Thursday, Friday, sorry, this is also Thursday. 8 September is Thursday, 9 will be Friday, 10 will be Saturday, and 11 will be Sunday. Okay, but 11th is also not there. What is the next Sunday? Plus 7. 11 plus 7 is 18th September. Is it given in the option? 18th September? Yes. So this is a Sunday here. So 18th September is a Sunday. Okay. Got it? We are finding the Sunday, next Sunday, and then adding 777, and we will get the next Sunday after that. Okay, this will be my last. Okay, tell me about it. This is an interesting question. Okay. 14th February 1984 was Tuesday. What was the day on 13th February 1985? Okay. So this is asking you around almost 1 year. 1 year they have come. See, 1 year. They are talking about 1985, not the previous day. This is about 1984. This is about 1985. So how many total days are there? Can you tell me? How many total days are there? Okay, if I take 14th February, let's take it as a complete year. Okay, now 13th February will be which day? 13th February 1984. Which day was that? If 14th is Tuesday, then 13th will be Monday, correct? Okay, this is your Monday. Now, can you check 1984 is a leap year or not? 1984 is a leap year or not? Yes, it is. It is a leap year. Okay. So that means it is a leap year. It is having 366 days. Okay. So from 1 year, from 13th Feb to 13th February 1985, it will be having total 366 days. That means how many weeks, how many days? How many weeks? We have already written that it is 52 weeks and plus 2 days. Okay, 52 weeks and 2 days. Now in 52 weeks, that means 52 weeks, every 1 week will repeat itself. So every 52 into 7 you will get Monday only. You will get on every week, you will get Monday because it is directly divisible. Now 2 days will be extra. So what will be the day? Plus 2 days. Plus 2 days. So on 52, then 1 and then 2. Next day will be Tuesday and plus 2 if you do, then it will be Wednesday. Okay, because it is a leap year. Otherwise, if you have find out about normal days, then it will be what? It will be next Tuesday. Got it? Clear? Are you able to get these questions or you are still having doubt? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Is it clear? Yes, students. You can write it in the chat what you are feeling about. Are you able to do this question? If it is clear, then give me a thumbs up. Write CC that it is a crystal clear. CC in the chat that it is a crystal clear. Write CC in the chat so that I can get that everything, whatever I am teaching is clear to you. Okay. Am I teaching fast? Okay. Am I teaching fast? Or the speed is normal to you? Speed is normal. Ron was saying a little higher. Okay, this is a demo session. Otherwise, in the class, we will go in a sequence manner. The chapter will be in the sequence. It is in the middle calendar. Okay. Okay, so no problem. I got that you people got how to do these type of questions. This is just a little introduction about your calendars. Okay, in just 30 minutes or 35 minutes, what we can understand a normal introduction we have taken about calendar. That does not mean that calendar we will not do in the regular class. We will take calendar in the middle when according to your index chapters. Okay, we will start it all again. Okay, but this is just an introduction that how your classes will be. But right now you are on mute, but in the classes you will be on unmute section. So whenever you find it difficult or you want to convey, because see, I love teaching and I want to learn from you people also. Maybe some of the techniques you know that I don't know, or you can give me any other thing that this question can be solved like this also, right? So you will be telling me, I will be telling you my methods, you will be telling me your method, and this will be very entertaining and exciting. Okay, so I will be waiting for you in the classes, and I want everyone to be everyone's participation. Okay, do not let yourself like a boring, like I'm not writing anything, I'm not typing anything. Just be attentive and write everything on the keyboard or unmute it. Okay, so I'm ending the meeting. Bye everyone. Good to see you all. Okay, bye.